Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Transferring money is quick and easy, and you have a couple of options of free transfer, which takes a couple of days to get your money, or an instant transfer with a small fee. To get started, first find and open the PayPal app. First, we need to make sure that we have a bank account or a card connected to our PayPal account. To do this, tap the wallet icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Inside of here, you're going to see your PayPal balance and any linked accounts underneath that. If you haven't linked any account yet, tap Add New next to Banks and Cards. Next, select Banks, and then choose or search for your bank, and then follow through the steps to link your account. You're going to need your bank's account login details like your username and your password. Once you finish this and connect to your account, your bank will show up here down at the bottom inside of the wallet. Now to transfer money from PayPal to this account, tap on your balance here. Underneath the PayPal balance, you'll have two options: Add Money and then Transfer. Choose Transfer, and then here on the pop-up menu at the bottom, tap Transfer to Bank. Inside of here, you're going to see two options of free transfer that takes 1 to 3 days, or an instant transfer with a small fee. Before we transfer anything, if you want to change the amount that you're transferring out, tap the edit or the pencil icon here at the top next to the dollar amount, and then you can change how much you want to transfer out. I just want to keep it the full balance, so I'll keep it like this and tap Done. Now if you want to do the free 1 to 3 day transfer, make sure you select it here, and then Next. Under that, make sure that the correct bank account that you're transferring to is selected. Once you're ready, tap Transfer at the bottom. For an instant transfer though, select in minutes and again make sure that the correct bank account is selected. Note though that there is a small fee, which is currently at 1.75% with a 25-cent minimum, and then a $1.25 maximum. So just if you are using the instant transfer option, make sure you look at that and see how much it's going to cost you. And if you're good with it, confirm at the bottom by hitting Transfer. It'll then start the transfer and you'll get your money in the time that you selected. So that's basically how you can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.